Hello everyone. If you're facing this error 0xA00F429F can't start your camera with the error window show failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying camera error on your computer easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here settings. You're going to go on to Bluetooth and devices here. And then you're going to click on to cameras here. And then here you're going to click onto your camera. So for me, it's my integrated webcam. After that, you're going to go into advanced camera options. And then you're going to make sure that you turn on basic camera here. And after that, you're just going to click on apply. And once you click on apply, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, when you open your camera now, you'll see that your camera will have been working now. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.